If you want to change your preferred language in VirtualBox machine, it is pretty much simple. Let me show you how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so I have here Oracle VirtualBox, and I like to go ahead and change my preferred language from English. To do that, it is quite simple. Just head over to these preferences and then click on it. And from here, you'll see we have an option for languages down here. If you scroll down, you can see we have quite a number of languages that you can choose from. So proceed and choose your own language that you want. And you can see we have all the languages available. So I'll choose English and then okay. And from that, your language will have been changed. So that's how you change your language on VirtualBox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.